Hey there! Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to register an account in the CommPeak user portal and start using our Cloud Contact Center solutions. You will learn where you can find a sign-up link, how to create and activate your account, and how to verify your phone, and what's next. You can create a free CommPeak account and use a trial credit to test VoIP and SMS services. The sign-up link is available at the homepage on our website. Click Start Now. Complete the registration form and agree to the linked legal documents. After you click Create Account, you need to go through a two-step activation and verification process. First, the system will email an activation link to you. Please follow the link. After you enter your credentials and press Login, let the system verify your login. Check your email for a verification message. Copy a 6-digit code and then enter it. Once you log in, you'll be able to complete the phone verification. Go ahead and click the Phone Verification button. The system will show you the phone number you entered during registration. After you click Request Code, you will receive a phone call from the system reading out 4 digits. After you get it, enter the received verification code in the new window and click Verify Now. When the verification is complete, you will receive a welcome email. You are all set then and can spend your trial credit to make a phone call. It is easy as your first SIP account already exists. You just need to reset its password to a permanent one. Then, download a CommPeak or third-party soft phone, or use an IP phone and configure your SIP account and you can start calling. Thanks for watching and good luck!